Remember every day in my choice farm. I not eat, I not sleep. Stalk Ashley. You again. What make you do that to my daughter? She's 19. You're a big woman for her. Fuck her off. You are your producer or manager. Dirty Jack. Whatever you want name. When I remember her over and over. When I touch her and put her in an orgy. When I do all kind of wickedness to her. See there? When I sleep. I strokes me nearly catch a while ago. Oh, may I take this thing? Oh, good pitney. Stalk Ashley. It nah go so. Stalk Ashley. Me nah take it so. Me nah take it so. Me nah take what you do to my daughter.
Så just så dit er en af de mix-up net, dat zijn maar de warmer ik voor do, warm for the night, warm for the here, warm to the summer. And this better out use things to be done by 5 year too. Do the right thing and do the do. Enemy go bit back into the week so, you know, and theaters. Alright.
Here, Stalk Ashley, you are your manager. We are on a bad Skyla, on her up mentally. The things them wanna do to her. And the abortion wanna make sure do. Make sure leave all her boyfriend. Tell her about not about her. No matter her. Have her sit down there too, you know. I may have to come for my pitney, you know. And get her the help she may know she forget. My nice daughter. Stalk Ashley. Your days are numbered. You see you gonna get it. I'm not touch you with a long stone or nothing. God. Omnipotent. So them tears here, them not go in vain. Stalk Ashley, you must go down. Stalk Ashley, you must go down. You must go down. Yeah, man. Guys, all who know about Skyla, or know her as Ashley before, or Sky, pray for her. Please, because prayers can move mountains. I beg, prayers. Please. Tag the girl named Stalk Ashley. Wicked girl. Tag her. She know what she do. My investigation after her. I can't take this so. My baby is just 19. She don't live no life. Promise to make me a promise. When I do bad things to her. Even when them not here when we talk to them. Nobody no want nobody mad them people. Drugs are.